Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows errors. So this can be applicable for both the Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'm going to share two different methods, so you just need to watch the whole video and try as to what method or solution will best work for you for the error that you are facing on your Windows. So first is you need to try to restart your Windows. A simple restart can usually fix a lot of issues. And because once you restart your Windows, that will refresh all the system processes and the programs on your Windows. So try restarting first. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method is we can update our Windows. So click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Windows Update and click this button right here. So we need to make sure the operating system that we have is updated, because once it is updated, we rarely face an issue with our Windows. So might as well keep it up to date. Then for the next method, is we can also check the disk space of our Windows. So make a right click at the start button and select File Explorer. Now look at your Windows C drive if it has enough space, and if it is not, or if it doesn't have enough space, then you can free up some space on your Windows. So I can suggest this one way. Search for disk cleanup, click on it under the best match, click on OK for the Windows C drive. Then you have to simply check these boxes right here. So these are the temporary files. Total amount of disk space that you can gain will be presented right here, or will be stated right here. So this could be more than in your case. Now simply click on OK and click on delete files. Now it will the process will go on, so you just need to wait for this process to be done. And for the next method is we can also restart the File Explorer for some errors like taskbar not working or File Explorer crashing. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type task mgr, click on Task Manager under the best match, maximize this. Now here simply type Explorer. Now make a right click at the Windows Explorer and then select Restart. And close this window and wait for all the icons in the taskbar to appear. Then for the next method is we can also run the system file checker scan to check for any system corrupted files. And this will only not check, but this will also fix the system corrupted files. So in the Windows search bar, type cmd. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here you need to type sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, and hit the enter key on your keyboard. So this process will take some time. Now in my case, there is a pending restart in my Windows, but in your case, there will be a verification process that will appear in the window. So you just need to wait for that to be 100% completed. And then once done, close out of here and just restart your Windows afterwards. And we can also use the troubleshooting tools on our Windows. So click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Scroll down and you'll find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. So here, depending on the error that you are facing on your Windows, it could be on audio, for network and internet, Windows Update, Bluetooth, camera. You just need to simply run the run button on the that corresponds to the error that you are facing, because what this will do in the troubleshooting steps is that this will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type system config. Click on System Configuration. Click on Services. Now check this box, Hide All Microsoft Services. Click on Disable All. Click on Startup. Click on Open Task Manager. Now change the status from Enabled to Disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. And what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup programs. Simply make a right click and then select Disable. Now once done, close out of here. Click on Apply. Click on OK. And click on the Restart button. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.